Let's talk about how to make a single crochet working both into a chain and into a single crochet stitch. We're going to start making a single crochet into a chain. We're going to take our chain and flip it to the back side. We don't want to see V's, but we want to see these, bumps or ridges along the back. Skip the first bump and work into the second bump right here. You take the crochet hook, hold onto the loop here so it doesn't run away on you. You're going to go in through the front of this loop and push the point of your hook through it. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to go under the yarn here. You're going to scoop it and pull it through the first loop on your hook. Then you yarn over, going from back to front, twist and pull your hook through both loops here. And we've made our first single crochet. Now we need to look for our next bump on the chain, which is right here. So we're going to go front to back, just pushing our hook through that bump. We only want the 1 loop on the hook here. Now yarn over, pull this loop through, twisting your hook down so it doesn't get caught, and pull it through the loop. You've now got 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, twist your hook down, pull it through the 2, and you're back to having just 1 stitch. Now we've made 2 single crochet stitches. You're going to go into the next bump again. So push it through here. Yarn over here and grab our yarn. Pull it through the first loop. Then we yarn over and go through 2 loops. We just keep working our way down the chain by finding the next bump. Push our hook through. Grab our yarn, pull it through the first loop, and then yarn over again and pull it through the next 2 loops. And we've completed another stitch. So now we're ready to find our next bump. Push through, yarn over again and go through both. At the end, chain 1 stitch to give yourself a bit of height so that your single crochet is the same height as your turning chain. Then we're going to turn around, and instead of going into the bumps this time, you want to go through the V shape at the top. So we're going to take our hook and go under both strands of that V. I have 2 loops here that I'm going under. Then I yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then go through 2. Then I look for my next stitch, which is a V shape. We're going to go under both legs of that V, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So it's essentially the same motion. You're just going through these 2 loops of the V instead of the bump of the chain. You'll be doing this into the top of the stitch every time. Go under your V, grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and go through 2. Go under your V, grab the yarn, yarn over, go through 2. Under the V, grab the yarn over, go through 2.